MRPeasy is a powerful yet simple ERP software for manufacturers and distributors. It is an affordable and user-friendly way to improve your manufacturing business. Accurately schedule manufacturing operations through automatic materials and equipment planning. Make accurate long-term plans with real-time data in the master production schedule. Get a real-time overview of your inventory and never lose track of any components. Never forget to order parts on time or fail to notice a late delivery from your vendors. Improve your lead times, know the cost, and ensure on-time delivery to your customers. Always have up-to-date data from the shop floor with paperless reporting. Get access to any information you need to improve your efficiency, managerial and sales statistics, cost control, equipment utilization, and much more. Integrate seamlessly with your existing accounting, e-commerce, and CRM tools. And there is much more. Bring your team to MRPeasy and streamline your business workflows now. Start your free trial today.